Alright guys, welcome back to another trading recap. This is my first trade I've taken in about like 2 weeks. I've been back testing a lot, so I've switched over to these pairs. If you know and watched my previous recaps, you would have known I was trading Forex. Now I'm trading S&P and NASDAQ. So and my voice, sorry if like it's hard to hear me. I have a really bad sore throat, so it's kind of hard for me to talk, but I'm gonna be going over my trade really quick that I took today. I took a pre-market trade, and then I took one at market open at 6:30, and then another one at 5:30. So coming to the day, we have the Fed meeting as well as FOMC. So we'll see. We might risk very little after the big move happens with price on ES and NQ, and then we'll probably trade the reversal just to be the safest. But coming into the day, yeah, as you can see here, this is when I took my first trade at 5:30. We had employment cost index, and yeah, so the actual was greater than the forecast, which is bearish for these pairs. And I wasn't expecting a huge point move. I mean, I was only expecting, we only ended up getting with ours 38 point, 40 point move. So I wasn't expecting anything crazy, just because I don't know, I've seen how markets moved from that before, and yeah, it's typically not anything crazy. Rarely we'll get a bigger move from that, but yes, the news did affect the market. We put our TP at this 5-minute where is it? We had a 5-minute FEJ right here. We put it right here. We risked not that much, and yeah, we made about $40. Well, it was like $30. Yeah, it'll be in the video how much I made today, but we made about like $30 on this trade. I mean, I just wanted to see. I wasn't even planning on trading, but I woke up early, and I knew it was gonna move down a bit. Also taking out because, I mean, higher we do have all this low resistance liquidity, but we had previously. I mean, well, even going lower, we had a lot more to take out. Also, given that we had New York AM lows and Asia lows, so I don't think price today was gonna take out London highs. Damn, I cannot speak. And overall, my bias of the day, I was bearish, given that we had New York AM lows here, as well as just overall on the daily. On the daily, we did sweep this this buy side liquidity, and we are getting reactions, so there's no reason why we would probably be going up, and we were already bearish on the day. So I was overall bearish coming into the day, looking for short positions overall, and yeah, so price action's been sucking recently, and yesterday it was brutal. I didn't even trade because it was just so bad, but yeah, I mean, I don't even know what the hell we're doing right now. It's pretty bad, but that was our it's like a voice crack every time. That was our first trade. Our second trade, it was damn. It was upon market open at 6:30 for me. Alright, so price after coming up all the way to here, and we had a reaction downside due to that news. we ended up finally disrespecting this, making me bearish. I waited for market to develop even more before entering. Dude, there's gonna be like 100 voice cracks before entering, and then we ended up coming down, and then we disrespected this. We had to move up, and then we ended up entering. After we disrespected this 5-minute FEJ, so we had an inversion here, which is that's how I enter now. It's my entry model. I'll go over my strategy probably in a future video, but yeah, overall, after we entered right around here, and yeah, we entered here, we put stop was, yeah, it was right here, the swing high of this manipulation leg. We ended up coming down pretty quick, actually. We had this first one was a risk reward of 1 to 1.51. Damn, sorry if I'm like not making any sense right now. It's like my throat is just like really sick right now. But okay, so we had a risk reward on this of 1 to 6.48. In total, we moved from entry here. We moved. I can't even get the whole move. Okay. Oh man, I don't feel good. Okay. We moved 84 points, which is pretty good. So we moved 84 points upon market open. In total, that was like 7 minutes into market. We made $200 off this trade, and then another like 30 off this trade. So pretty good. After that, I put my damn. Okay, it's not on here, but I think it's on the 5-minute. I put my TP not all the way at this bottom wick. I put it more, if we're going to the 1 minute, I put it, I believe it was here, just to be more safe. And I was right. I mean, I always try to be a little bit more safe and not put it right at the bottom all the time. Given us, holy, I can't stop voice cracking. All right, but yes, we did end up dipping into this. We got really close to actually hitting. Man, that's a coughing spasm. All right, we got really close to actually coming all the way back down here, but we did end up hitting our TP, and yeah, nice little quick trade. Right after that, I didn't even look for any other trades. We did have this nice move up though, following with the disrespected 1 minute, and then we ended up coming back up. So that would have been a good trade for like a 1-to-1 RR. But I mean, I'm satisfied with this. Nice little quick trade. I'm on NQ. 2 trades a day overall. There was a little bit more that went into my kind of overall trade, I guess, on this one, but I gotta go to school in like 5 minutes, so that'll wrap it up. Next trading recap will be a little bit more detailed than this one. I don't know if I was really detailed on this one, but it's just kind of simple trades. We had inversion, fair value gaps, and news. So overall, that wraps it up. 2 wins on the day. Good to be back, and I gotta go. So I'll catch you guys. Peace.